xAI just released Grok 4.5 and they're calling it their smartest model yet for coding, agentic tasks, and general knowledge work. It launched on July 8th, and the pitch is simple: near-frontier performance at a fraction of the price. On the benchmark side, xAI is positioning this as comparable to the top-tier models from OpenAI and Anthropic. On their own published charts, Grok 4.5 sits close behind Fable and GPT-5.5 high on coding benchmarks, and clearly ahead of Opus 4.7 and 4.8 Max. It's a 1.5 trillion parameter model, with a 2 trillion parameter version already finishing training this month and expected to reach customers next month. Context window is 500,000 tokens now, with plans to push that to 1 million in the coming weeks. But the number that actually matters here is pricing. Grok 4.5 costs $2 per million input tokens and $6 per million output tokens, which is dramatically cheaper than the state-of-the-art competition. xAI also claims it's roughly twice as token efficient as comparable leading models, meaning it solves tasks using fewer steps and fewer tokens, which compounds the cost savings even further. Now, on to how it actually performs. Since one reviewer who does side-by-side AI coding tests put it through its paces before the benchmarks even mattered. In a Linux driver test where the model had to write a custom kernel module to fix RGB lighting on a laptop keyboard that had never worked properly, Grok 4.5 got it working, including timeout fixes, in a single pass, something the reviewer said even larger open-weight models had failed to do before. It also handled a 3D engine modeling task well, building a V8 engine model size to fit around a real RC car motor, complete with mounting holes and a written build guide. On a Tokyo-style racing game built from a custom sprite sheet, it needed a few rounds of photo-based feedback to get the car models looking right, but it got there. Where it was weaker was in more standard 3JS browser games, like a skydiving simulator and a subway shooter demo, which the reviewer called competent but unremarkable. The reviewer's overall takeaway was that Grok 4.5 is a genuine leap over previous Grok releases, particularly strong at low-level technical tasks and 3D modeling, a bit less impressive in flashier browser-based demos, and, combined with the price and speed, a realistic option for people who don't want to pay Opus or GPT 5.5 pricing for near-comparable results. One more thing, Grok 4.5 isn't available in the EU yet at launch, with availability expected around mid-July. So the story here isn't really about who's smartest anymore, since a lot of these top models are converging on similar capability. It's about who can deliver that capability the cheapest and the fastest, and right now xAI is making a very aggressive play on that front.